Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to turn on or off touchpad on Windows 11. All Windows laptop ships with a touchpad. If you have purchased a new laptop or are on an old laptop whose touchpad is not working and want to disable it, this Garip Windows video will help you. It may also happen that the touchpad is broken, and you want to disable it to troubleshoot them. Windows 11 lets you disable and enable the touchpad using the built-in Settings app. Here is how to do it. How to enable or disable touchpad on Windows 11. To enable or disable the touchpad of your Windows 11 laptop, first open Windows 11 Settings by pressing Windows +I keys on the keyboard. Then, click on Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar. Next, click on Touchpad on the right sidebar. Here, turn off the toggle switch touchpad to disable it. To enable the touchpad, just turn on the toggle switch touchpad. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel, Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.